Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel, Septeria18. I have here my design team package arrive from COCO and Reno. It's their July monthly stamp and die kit set called Floral. It is an adorable kit to play with. I had so much fun with making projects using their new monthly kit. I'll also share with you what I made as well. But I did receive this July kit a couple of days ago, so I was quite excited that it arrived to me pretty quickly than it normally would, considering with international shipping to Australia taking a little while to get here. But it seems like shipping is moving a little bit faster, so that's good to know. But I'm going to show you guys what you get in the July kit, and I'll also put down below the link to COCO and Reno's monthly subscription page if you'd like to be part of their subscription and receive their monthly kits. I'll also put the link to their Instagram account so you can get some inspiration on other projects on there as well. But this is what you will receive, and this is one of the stamp kit. It is so pretty. I really like this stamp kit. The stamp kit is beautiful. And this here on this side here is their floral flower images. Again, really lovely, and they stamp really well and nice and crisp, so you get a nice fine detail. So it's very good quality stamps. And here are the dies that you will receive as well to coordinate with the stamps. So there are two flower types set in this kit. So there's this one here, and then you got this one, and then there are these center pieces that you could add to your flowers, and another piece here. It is just so adorable. I mean, we all love paper flower embellishments in our projects, so this is definitely a must-have. And then there are these border dies as well, and they're really pretty. And so I'll just show you how they look like with these ones when you run it through your cutting machine. So that's this one. The flowers are so pretty and dainty. And then there is this one as well. That's how it looks like. Looks that way. So these are great to add to your pages. You can use this as like a part where you can slide your pages through. You can use this as like a belly band, and you can attach another piece. And I'll just show some of my projects. These are the flowers, and you just layer them on top of one another. So this one here is this three set down here. So they're really cute, and it's a great size as well. So that's those. I made some embellishments as well. And I just used some scraps and made some banners, and just layered the banners and then placed the flowers on the top. So they're really nice. And then I used the do-it-yourself tabs that I shared with you in one of my videos on how you can make your own page tab dividers. And you can make them in different lengths and different shapes. And so I just placed that on the top, and then added some twine, or it's actually crochet string, to the top with one of my word sentiments. So it does look nice to have something just to finish it off on the top like that. I mean, you can also just punch a little hole up here, and then you can make it into a little tag. So they're those ones that I made. I made some vellum pockets and used my gold embossing powder with this stamp. So I used this stamp and stamped it onto some vellum, then made a pocket. And then I just used some gold washi tape to adhere to the side of the vellum. So I just fold the vellum in half after I emboss the vellum, and then just adhered this gold washi. And I did add some extra glue to the tape, because I find washi tape isn't quite sticky enough sometimes. And this is just your plain cardstock, and I placed another flower in the middle. And this one here is this flower here. That's these three. So that's that one. And this is the pocket. It looks really, really pretty with the gold foil, or the gold embossing powder, I should say. And then I just punched a knot on the top with a circle punch just to create a little, like a little notch on the top of the pocket. And this is another one. I used the other flower to make that one. So I'll just take this one out just to show you. It's the Vellum Pocket. So this is also a nice little pocket you can add to your pages, to your junk journal or your planners, and you can just punch a hole here and here. You can add it to your planners. So that's that. And then with the floral images on the stamp set here, I stamped the images onto a postage stamp die that I have to make them look like postage stamps. So they look so cute. So that's those three. Then I did some more here. Flowers are so cute. And you get some nice detailing on those. So they're the projects that I made with COCO and Reno's July floral stamp and die kit set. I hope you enjoyed this project share, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye.